What's up, YouTube? I am Alex Too High. I am gonna be doing a dispo review today on a Muha Meds disposable. It's gonna look something like this. This is one of them. I guess you can say, smoking on, of course. But this is Blue Dream. But if you got something, go ahead and tap with me. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it hits very smooth. But the reason I like it, it has a lot of flavor to it. I fuck with it, and it tastes just like Blue Dream. But the one that I'm gonna be reviewing today is Strawberry Cough. The strain is Sativa. THC 8679. Strawberry Cough, as I just said. 2G, of course. Here's a little packet. I like the monkey on there. Good vibes only, 1 puff at a time. Right? Yeah, good vibes only, 1 puff at a time. I fuck with the disposables. Here you go. Look, full, brand new, sexy gold. I fuck with the purple in the back. I don't even want to do that. Boom. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I already hit it a couple times. Just tripping. But let me just see what it kind of tastes like. Cause I said I already kind of hit it a couple times, and it really it tastes like strawberries, right? But they said more. I seen kind of reviews on it, and it said like it tastes more like gassy. But I guess they're right. But let me just make sure. I was asking. I think they're right. It tastes like strawberries, and it tastes very gassy. And here's the little plastic review that you gotta take off of it. Bing, bada, boom, take it off. But let me just go ahead and hit one more rip. It's like very gassy. I fuck with it. Yeah, it's very gassy. I fuck with it. But like, I guess this one has just a little bit more flavor to it. They're both very good. But now, YouTube, that is it for today. This shit's very gassy. I fuck with it, actually. I guess I just have to hit it a couple more. But no, thank you for watching. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna try to get another one. I don't know what flavor it is though. I'm just try and get another one so I can review it. But yeah, this is it for today. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up if y'all want. But yeah, I am out. I am too fried already. That's crazy.